So turn it off, then turn it back on. This is the 2000. Oh, jeez. Lost my balance there for a sec. This is the 2005 Carrier Tech 2000 Infinity System heat pump at my friend's house. The same one I filmed in heat mode a couple months ago. It is hot as hell again today. It's going to be over 90 with the humidity. Carrier Weathermaker. You know what? I could have sworn this said Infinity on it last time. Maybe I'm confusing this with another unit, but I could have sworn this said in... There it is. I might be confusing this with another heat pump, but I seem to recall that it actually said Infinity System High Efficiency Heat Pump on the top of the unit. I guess that label was right there. I could have sworn it said high efficiency heat pump on the top label.
Yeah, the label.
Wait, why did he come and change the label?
I don't know.
Anyway, so he changed the label?
Yeah, I guess so.
That makes no sense.
Yeah, I don't know why.
So it's been serviced though?
Yeah.
Since I last filmed it?
Yeah.
That's good. I knew that used to say Carrier Infinity heat pump on the top.
Yeah, it's a different. Yeah, we came home one day and I'm like, what's up with that?
All right, so is it back? Is it turned back on yet?
Yeah.
It's compressor lockout. What do you think the temperature is?
It's 72 in the house. Right?
No, outside.
Oh, I think it's like 89.
That's what it says on the thermostat?
That one's not real accurate. My car was saying 87 on my way home at like 11, so it's probably hotter by now.
It's supposed to get over 90.
Yikes.
Waiting for the unit to come on.
Do you want me to turn the temperature down so it goes back on?
Yeah. And the unit you hear running right now is the older Carrier straight cool unit at the place next door. Yeah, most of these places just have straight cool air conditioners with gas furnaces. Some of them are original, some of them aren't. A few of them have a hybrid heat system like my friend's house. And the heat pump is installed in front of the house for some reason, not in back. Some of them have it on the side, some of them have it in the front. A couple I think have them in the back, but a lot of them like this have them in the front. My God, it is hot. And the unit next door just turned off. It's a really rusty 1990s Carrier base model unit.
Didn't go on?
Compressor lockout.
What does that mean?
When it gets turned off and then turned back on really rapidly, it prevents damage to the compressor by delaying it from turning on.
Oh, okay.
So it's doing its job, it's just that when you're trying to film it, it makes things kind of a pain in the rear end.
Yeah. I know.
Arthur. How old is Arthur again?
9.
There's going to be a lot of unnecessary footage of just watching this thing get edited out.
Yeah, seriously. I turned it down to 68.
It's just delayed. And Arthur's just staring at me. It was system on hold. It was system on hold, whatever the hell that means. But anyway, it's running now. Had the camera sitting on the chair, so don't know how well that's gonna sound. I'm gonna have to look over the video. And I might upload this on my new version of Windows Movie Maker on my new computer. I've been doing it on my dad's computer for the last more than 6 months. And the thermostat inside the house says it's 103 outside, but that's because the thermometer thing's out in the sun probably. It's probably more like 90 or 91. And I have got to go. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hold on a minute. You can kill it now.
Okay.
Put it back up to like 75.
I can put that 71 where it was.
Alright. Arthur.
Did you get what you needed?
Yeah.
Cool.
Did you shut it down?
I just put it back up to 71. That 2-hour thing, it's got like a thing that says 2 hours on it. Everything needs to be changed.
You mean where it said hold before?
Yeah.
Just push the hold button back on, I guess. Alright, I already kind of got a video that's shutting down at the beginning, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.